take a long time to load up.
If y'all have a son and he act like this on a daily basis, please comment below. He ain't got no tear on his face. He been fighting with this damn table and chair for the last 20 minutes. Why? I don't know. You gotta scoot it over some more. Come here. Legend.
Boy, you can be famous.
Pull it.
You gotta pull the chair over. Turn the chair over. Turn the chair over. You gotta turn the chair over.
Don't you tell my stuff because you mad. You better push it how you pulled it in here.
Look. Come on, get it. Come get it right here. Pick it up right here. Pick it up right here. Pick it up from over here. Look. Pick it up. Come on. There you go. Come on. What that was?
You picked it up. Why you mad?
I'm hoping what that was.
Legend. Why are you mad? And he gonna get mad at him. Legend. You sleeping.
Come on.
To the butt. Come here.
You wanna get on the bed? I'll go put you on the bed. You wanna get on the bed? Come on. Yeah.
You did all that for what? LaJuan.
Right. You okay?
Legend. Why you mad? You brought this shit in here, tore it up, and now you want to cry. Legend, LaJuan, and Sarah Thompson. You want some cookies? Here. You want these cookies? Psych.
No.
All that. Look at his face. Fake. Fake. Y'all better come get this little rugrat. If y'all some kin to the Thompsons or the Brundage, come get this little rugrat. Come interact with y'all peoples. Because he doing the most. The hostess with the most is Legend. Put my belt down. Ain't nobody ask you to touch it.
I can't wear that. That's too small.
What? You better not throw it on the ground.
She trying to put it back like water.
You need to leave it alone. Come get your table and chair at my house right now.
Put it back. Put it back. You can't wear that. You don't want to wear that.
Whoop his ass with him. Whoop his ass.
No. Don't do that.
I'm supposed to be meeting this damn lady at the what's her name. She's talking about she early, so I guess she's sitting up there waiting.
You going to get her?
Yeah, we gotta go get it. She ain't gonna deliver. She's sitting at the place waiting on us. Y'all, this is how boring I be right here, watching these two and my daughter run around and scream. If I ain't at work, this one I'm at in my damn bed doing nothing.
I'm gonna be screaming.
Letting the TV watch me. There ain't nothing on. I need something to do. What the fuck was that face for? Ew, slobbing off. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Cool. I won't let it fall over my mouth anyway. I'm gonna close that bit.
Are you ready for school, Desire?
No.
What you mean, no? What you mean, you don't know, Panda?
Yeah.
Quit reminding me.
That girl said, quit rewinding.
I said reminding.
You said rewinding
I
you.
said reminding.
Quit reminding you for what?
School.
What's her name? Latrice said, y'all ain't going to school, y'all going to prison.
Yeah, man.
She said that shit 4 times yesterday. We not going to school. We going to prison.
Yeah, man. You better get another pack.
No, he's not getting no more. Why he's look.
That's the first one, ain't
I got you on camera. Throwing that shit on my damn floor. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Get it. Go put it. Get down and get it. And go put it in the garbage. That nigga ate them garbage and throw that shit. Like, fuck that.
Go get it.
Legend. Go put it in the garbage.
That was funny.
Lil' one.
That was funny. That was funny. And then he looked over and looked at him.
He picked it up and dropped it back down.
Get that paper. Nah, bro, him. Listen. Get that paper. Pick it up. Get it. Now go put it in the trash. Go put it in the trash.
Oh, shit.
Right now. Go. Nah, bro. That is not... Y'all come get this baby. He think this the garbage. He finna get a whooping. Y'all better come get y'all peoples. Get your peoples. Huh? I'm glad it stopped raining, y'all, because it was raining like a mofo. Huh? No, it ain't. Oh, it's sprinkling. What is a girl to do? Can't go to the beach. Can't go to work. Look at that. Look at my polo car. All beat up. Them bastards hit me. Ain't had no insurance. Nothing of fucking value, my lawyer said. So I'm SOL. Excuse me. Can you come back in? He seen me pour that water out the other chair, so he got to do that chair. Ha, you, come on, boy. No. Let's go. Come on. What? Y'all come get him right now. Who want him? I can't hear you. He tripping out. Close the door. What?
Go to the car and get my keys, but never mind.
No, I'm not doing nothing. Do you hear my child crying? You
Hey,
wanna go
dude,
play
come
in the
here.
rain.
Ledge! Hey, Ledge, come here.
It's the end of the world, y'all. Nobody is outside. Look. Come on. You can't go out there. Y'all come get him. He want to go outside. See what school's doing to these children? She tell me you hurt my eardrum. Tell the people hey on Facebook. Say hey people. They don't want to hear you screaming. Just to go outside, y'all. In the rain. Hey, it's raining, man. You people watching you show out. You don't care? Well, on that note, I guess I'm gonna end the live because he being a little butt. You know he can't go in no damn rain. Legend. Walk him back to the door, but don't let him get down. Cause he's not going out the damn door. Just stand in front of the door with him. Hold him, because if you open the door, he gonna go run out. So you done pissed him off. Ugh. He gotta get a haircut. And I gotta get my hair done, y'all. We both looking rough. And he doing the most. But we'll be back later. What? Why you turning the light off? Turn it back on. Tell the people bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye, Legend, so we can end the live. Tell them bye. Say bye-bye. Say see y'all later. Bye-bye. That baby's crazy, I promise y'all.